Hello, Teresa Tree out here at our Global Family Farm with the college students at the College Corps, and they're helping to restore the earth here. We're getting the weeds out and we're going to put compost in to break up the heavy clay soil that we have here. We've been having a good conversation out here about restoration of California native plants on our hillsides to prevent problems in the future, such as hot, dry, fire conditions.
California is a perfect example, more so than anywhere in the United States, of pretty much like urban sprawl. So we built in places that we're not supposed to have built in here in California, and we're like pretty much speeding up the processes of like groundwater drying up and soil water drying up. So people are surprised when like wildfires happen so close to their home, when we should just left those natural places to be.
So here's a before picture of one of our plots of vegetables that was taken over by weeds. It was never able to get in here over the winter months, so the weeds started growing, but the soil is so compact from all the water that even the root systems are compacted, so we're digging them out one by one. Way to go. Thank you. So to restore our lands in California, it was discussed how habitat needs to be intact and not ripped apart so that houses can be built, so that's a factor. And let us know any other ideas you have of how to restore our California ecosystems with native plants. And there's a place below the video here you can leave your comments about restoration.